The ecological balance of our environment has been disturbed due to our ever-increasing dependence on natural resources. Our resources are depleted at a fast rate, and we are facing an alarming situation. Sustainable living is an attempt to reduce this dependence on natural resources. Being sustainable means make a lesser negative impact on the environment. The world's population is growing rapidly and expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050. This is going to put an immense stress on current food systems. Aquaponics is one of the most effective solutions for this problem. Today we will create a basic aquaponics system together with my daughter Precious. Let's go!
These are the materials. This is a water bottle, summer hose, water pump, beer pump, filter, zip tie, glue gun, and glue stick, cutter, screwdriver, eye protection, a marker, and that's it. It is upside down. We're gonna get here the fish and put the fish in here. It's like soup. Now we're gonna put it in here. Hey, come out. There we go. Now I'm gonna put it here, the goldfish. So beautiful. Hey, come on. Hey, slowly. We're gonna put some Artemisa and Oregano. These are the Artemisa and Oreganos. And there's the fish and the plants. And it's done!
Aquaponic systems are ecologically sustainable systems that produce two healthy organic products, fish and vegetables. It is the marriage between aquaculture and hydroponics. In aquaponics, there cannot be any pesticides or herbicides used, making the end product healthier and safer. This closed-loop ecosystem uses the fish waste to naturally fertilize the plants above. In turn, the plants clean the water for your fish. This revolutionary approach to gardening is especially useful in urban areas, where the majority of the world's population lives. This is because it tends to produce a higher food yield in a minimal space than traditional gardening, with no soil needed and a little to no waste. The best news is that just about anyone can do it. Small home aquarium designs can be set up in a tiny apartment. Highly productive aquaponics systems already exist to act as model for interested at-home growers.
I choose to plant Oregano and Artemisa as these plants can help treat respiratory tract disorders, especially pressure sometimes needed. Unlike factory farming methods, aquaponics doesn't need harmful fertilizers. In a time where food production is at risk, aquaponics provide solid and sustainable answers.
I want to be a part of sustainable change that safeguards our future, and that is why I believe in aquaponics. Not only because it can produce a sustainable source of food almost anywhere, but because it can also be used as a tool to help others.